Did you know these 5 animal facts? Giraffes take power naps, adding up to just 30 minutes a day. Who needs 8 hours, right? Male penguins search for the perfect pebble to give to their mate, nature's cutest love story. Unlike lions, cheetahs chirp, purr, and even meow, big cats with tiny voices. Yes, their feet, butterflies land on plants to taste test them for food. This keeps them from drifting apart. Talk about relationship goals. These animals are amazing, and there's so much more to learn. See you in the next video.